Timer.
All right, so we are here at wherever we are.
Boozy Bird.
Boozy Bird.
Boozy Bird.
And hey, they wanted me to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wings. And I don't know if they got enough sauce on there. But they said
Pretty generous with it.
Yeah, they said that the sauce is pretty dangerous, possibly radioactive, don't know. And they gave me 20 minutes to finish it. And if I finish all 8 wings in 20 minutes, they'll shake my hands and call me an ambulance.
No.
You get a t-shirt and a $25 gift certificate.
That's pretty good. We did a challenge in London that broke us. And there were tiny wings, so we couldn't make it through one.
Is the timer on?
No, not yet.
Whenever you're ready.
All right.
And the prize was 10% off, so basically $1.
Yeah, so just kill yourself
For $1.
for $1, yeah.
Yeah, no, it's not $1. 20, 25, or $20, $25 off.
Yeah, and that shit was laboratory extracted capsaicin. That was, I have a bottle of it at home.
That's crazy.
Yeah. All right, we ready to start this thing?
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Start the timer whenever you're ready.
Call it.
Okay,
Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Call it.
Awesome.
Yay.
20 minutes.
All right.
I'll bring you some more napkins.
Okay.
Thank you much. Let me see how bad this is.
Okay. I think that they're probably not going to be spicy, if I'm going to guess. I'm 50% certain they're not going to be too spicy for orange.
It's so hard to tell. To some people, it'll be mildly spicy. To some places, just drop a bomb on you, you know?
Yeah. And 30% said he might like to flavor it because they like spicy, but usually challenge wings, they don't worry about flavor. So what do you think? Is it spicy?
Hiccuping already, so I can't lie.
Okay. So yes. You like the flavor?
I was hoping for. I was actually in the mood for like a Cajun garlic kind of thing. But yeah, it's not.
The flavor's not bad.
Yeah, it's not what I was hoping for, but it's not bad. It is.
They let you drink beer, so there's beer right there.
I'm gonna hold on to that because I've got a bunch
Got
left.
3 of them. No, 2 of them. 1, 2.
And the weird thing when you get to the higher end peppers, is the longer you wait, the hotter it gets.
Yeah, so you do want to power through them. Okay.
Yeah. I remember one time my wife recorded. Well, she didn't record it, but we went to this one place where they gave us these crazy hot wings called There Can Be Only One. And there was no time limit or challenge or anything. They gave me 4 wings. And my wife noted that I would eat the wing and I would require a 10-minute cool down before moving to the next wing.
How many minutes do you need to move on to this one?
I don't think I did. Well, that little speech I just gave.
It doesn't seem to be slowing you down as bad as some of the other wings we've had.
Yeah.
You gave us insanity? Okay. Thank you.
Blue cheese. This is ranch. If you need me to replace it with blue cheese, I'm happy to.
Okay. Blue cheese.
Do you want another drink?
For me?
Yeah.
Yes, I'll have the mango smash.
What's the flavor in the middle?
This is the lemon pepper. And then this is the black magic. And then this is insanity.
Okay.
Awesome. Awesome. And then timer-wise, we got 15 minutes and 43 seconds.
15 minutes. These look really good. He's not turning too red and tears aren't coming in his eyes, but his hiccup is, so that's a sign. Got you lots of extra napkins over there. Got the big stack of napkins. Oh, let's put his head back. Considering his life choices right now. Take one at a time. There's the one you got. And David. Did you see this is the lemon pepper? Give me. Should eat the lemon pepper. It's not red.
Yeah, and I didn't bring any Tums.
Yeah. You're on ring number 4 right now, so you're halfway through. A little red. She brought you extra napkins right there. You don't want to wipe with your hands together in your eyes.
Right.
I'm gonna try the black magic wing, the dry rub. It's supposed to be the hottest dry rub. Kind of like a Cajun dry rub, but way spicier. Sex sailing. I love this song. But we're gonna scrub the music, of course.
We do not have makeup now. Don't have your freaking stuff and we don't have your makeup.
Oh no!
Do you have a preference that's a backup or do you want to try our Cup Juice backup? If you like a fruity beer, it's a fruity beer.
Let me look again.
Yeah, let me buy it for you.
Shit's getting hot now.
Okay, it's starting to get real.
You're almost done though.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
telling you.
halfway.
They have done us really bad. We've had it way worse. There's one place we go here in Dallas. If they see him at a 10, they extra stick him in a I'll have the 512 pound porter.
What's the buck roll?
What's the matter?
What's the buck roll? 512?
Oh, it's beer baby. I can tell you that I do taste some spice in these Cajun black magic wings. So, but it's not super spicy. Uh-oh.
It's not the hottest I've ever had, but to slam 8 of these in 20 minutes, that's gonna lot.
We've got about 8 more minutes.
What?
Got about 8 more minutes. Big Mac's worried about him. Big Mac. It's like, is he okay? No, I think he wants some of it. He's checking you out, Alan. Look at him. He's concerned. You got a concerned look on it. Shaking his head.
There's drip and shit. Sad thing is that
How many minutes?
10 minutes and 30 seconds.
So 10 minutes left. And you've got
You got 2 more.
2 more.
oh, besides the one in my hand.
Right there.
The problem is,
Thank you.
my mouth can handle a lot more than my stomach can.
Yeah.
10 minutes and 8 seconds.
10 minutes and 8 seconds. Or 3. Okay. Look at that pecan porter. It's all frosty looking. Yummy. Oh, about to drop that banana.
Just saved your dog's life.
Yeah.
Oh.
See, he thinks he wants some of that. You think he wants that to go. See, I didn't think this was going to be a challenge for you. I think this is a challenge for people who aren't. This is their so-called insanity lane. But it's not really challenging at all. Do you like the flavor of those wings after having 6 of them?
No. The man over here eating the garlic and Cajun ones.
Yeah. Hold on a second if you need to take a second.
Flipping the table there. Don't.
Like, there's no perk to finishing a lot of minutes early, so. I mean, do you need 7 minutes to finish 2 wings?
No. Taking a breather though.
Yeah.
You said you don't eat spicy?
No.
What's the hottest?
What's the hottest?
Yeah,
Like, the hottest food?
yeah, that you eat.
Oh. Well, like, I don't even eat hot Cheetos.
Oh,
Like, I
okay.
don't eat, I just, like, tend to stay away from spicy shit. I'm more of a, like, savory, sweet.
Here, I was expecting her to say, well, I don't go much above, jalapenos, serranos, habaneros.
No, like, I tend to say take the jalapenos off. Yeah. I sweat very quickly when it comes to food.
You know what? I don't know. I may need emergency ice cream or Tums flavored ice cream.
Comes flavor ice.
You want me to put a milkshake in for you? It's not going to be a Tums milkshake, but you want me to put one in right now? So
For
it's ready?
after it's
Not yet,
Okay.
but it is.
You
Yeah.
want to tell me the flavor so I know for when you're ready?
He likes chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate.
Ah,
How does your mouth feel? Harmony.
All right.
I
We
mean,
got
what?
how does your mouth feel?
Ah, I don't know. Dad?
Having a near-death
we got
experience.
5 minutes and 45 seconds on the clock. For 2 more wings. You got it. When there's 2 minutes left, or after you're done with that one, I'm putting the milkshake in so that you can have it as soon as you're done. So you don't have to wait for that.
I'm gonna have to ride this wave for a minute. I got one here, one there. Man.
Here's another beer for you, honey.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, you drank my beer.
I forgot that I didn't have to. But no, that's yours. Oh, this is mine.
Yeah, you drank my beer.
No. No. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Really? It's just 2 more.
It's got to my stomach now.
Oh no.
We need a break. I can't make it.
Is it 1 more?
2.
2. Oh.
And I can't make it. Yeah. My stomach can't handle what my mouth can't. Remember when I was sitting on the toilet calling you to tell you I love you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can eat fries. Will that help?
Well, that ends the challenge. You understand that, right?
No, it doesn't. Like, I don't want to be accused.
No, it doesn't. She says as she yanks it away.
Or I don't want to be accused of doing it. It's just 2 more. You don't have to go ham on it. Just like strip the meat off. Well, I guess they were spicy if you can't finish eating.
I'm sorry?
I guess they were spicy if you can't finish eating.
Yeah, well, it builds.
Yeah.
The first one was so mild, I thought I'm just going to plow right through these. But by 5, started saying, oh yeah, you think so, huh? And then 6 started laughing at me. Yeah, I got 2. I got 2.
How much
I
time?
had to have a moment.
2 minutes.
Oh, fuck me. I'm not going to make this. Yep, I ain't making this.
You can try?
What?
You can try?
Okay, he's gonna try.
I mean, there's no penalty if you don't. Two minutes and 10 seconds.
Is that enough? You can start on the next one?
So what?
Is that enough? You can start on the next one?
Yeah.
Go start on the next one.
You don't have to lick the bones clean.
Yeah.
you just gotta do it. Yep, 1 minute and 45 seconds.
But I'm going to accidentally pound this against my plate.
Yeah.
1 minute and 15 seconds.
I think you can do it. Just don't strip it.
It's the burning bird challenge. 58, 57, 56, 55.
That's it.
Oh
He
yeah!
did it! Yay! Hooray! Celebration dance. Look. Yay! I was starting to doubt. How you feeling? I'm proud of you. I thought you weren't gonna make it.
Oh yeah, I still have to make it all the way to the car without falling over dead.